BTS fans have long wondered why its members never had separate social media accounts, but that has changed after the K-pop septet announced an extended period of rest. You heard me right. All the BTS members now have their very own individual Instagram accounts. This amazing debut took place on 16th December 2021. So even if this was a recent update for some of you newbies, you are still in time to experience those thrills. Let me help you walk through the whole process of creating a brand new IG account and following the genuine BTS member IDs on it. We will simply begin with downloading the Instagram application from our Play Store or App Store as per the device suitability. Also, you can choose to go for a light version of this software in case you are running out of storage, which is generally the most common thing among BTS armies. Here I pre-installed the software, so I'll directly open it. After which a terms and data policy article will be displayed. Tap on continue to start creating your Instagram profile. Simply follow the on-screen instruction to proceed with the same. Tap on sign up with email or phone number in case you are an Android user. Else click on create new account for iOS devices. Then enter your email address or phone number as per your convenience for receiving the OTP for the same. Here I am going to use my email address for signing up on Instagram as this is recommended as well. However, later on after creating your IG ID successfully, you can further add your phone number onto your Instagram profile if you desire. Remember that the next stage will require the confirmation code verification. So make sure that you are logged in actively with the registered email you had just used on IG to get the OTP without any trouble. Similarly, you can pick login with Facebook alternative as well to sign up with your FB profile if you like. Once you are done, refresh your email's primary tab and check for the verification code sent by Instagram in the top mail received till now. While many Gmail users have multiple accounts, their recent emails can be viewed all at once by pressing the All Inboxes folder from the 3 lines drop-down menu present in the top left side of your mobile screen. In some cases, there can be a delay in getting the Instagram 6-digit code. In such circumstances, you should directly go for the search option present on the top of your screen icon by a magnifying glass and type Instagram on it and tap submit button. Now all the latest emails sent to your recipient titled with Instagram as a keyword will be displayed on your screen. For few users, their authentication code can also be scanned and dropped by their program's automated systems in the spam folder as well. After correctly feeding your Instagram code, hit the next button to proceed to our further steps. As soon as your email is verified successfully, you will need to input your full name and password in the next section. Let me bring this to your notice that this full name isn't essentially need to be unique as it will not be employed for searching you on IG. Instead, for this case, your username will be considered, which will be discussed later on in the following segments of the video. So basically it's all up to you whether you choose your full name as different one or rather the original one that might be taken with many users already. It really doesn't carry any weightage apart from playing a role of external decorative element of your Instagram profile. As soon as you figure out the right name for your Instagram account, you can move on to the password field as shown. Here I personally recommend you guys to choose one strong password to set up a more secure Instagram account. The suggested typo can be a complex blend of alphabetical symbol as ABC, numerical digit as 1, 2, 3, and last but not the least, special characters comprising of hashtag, $, exclamation mark, and so on. You can also use a mix of upper and lowercase, that is capital and small letters, for the reason that the password are case sensitive, which means that suppose you had a small case or small letter alphabet in your passcode and you mistakenly entered it as a capital 1 while you are logging into your account. As soon as you press the submit button, it will show an error referring incorrect password. Moreover, you can also use a combination of letters and numbers or phrase like many colors using only consonant, example M, N, Y, C, and you can also replace O's with zeros. You have to convert it into a type of code so that it is not easily to be broken by hackers. Now select either continue and sync contacts or continue without syncing contacts as per your choice. Please remember that even if you don't sync your contact but have created your ID using phone number, then your connected or saved phone numbers using Instagram will be notified about your account creation irrespective of anything. After putting the correct details, you can now tap on the next button present in the bottom side of the screen. Alright, now fill your date of birth as applicable by selecting the month, date and year from the given options. Your age should be at least 13 years old as per the Instagram policy eligibility criteria. Submit the credentials and press the next button to proceed. At this phase, depending upon which phone or email you chose earlier to sign up with Instagram, you will find a uniquely auto-generated username displayed on your screen. In case of phone number sign up, this name would be made in reference to the full name you had filled former in the stage 2. On the other hand, for those who link their email IDs for verification purpose, they will see a username wholly based on their email ID name. So as per your wish, you can choose to personalize this identity name by tapping change username option and creating any custom username available which does not already exist. This name should comply to be distinctive and unique, as you will be appeared all over Instagram searches through this ID only. Please note that you can use several special character as underscore, period, etc. to make this name unique. Also, you can change these details more than once except for your full name if you want. Tap on next. Here you will be asked to upload a profile picture and update the bio for your Instagram profile. Although you can skip this part if you like by simply tapping the skip button present on the top right corner of your mobile screen. You can also choose to save password to avoid having any problems with login under Instagram by enabling this feature for future reference. Set the account specification as public or private as per your desire. Just keep in mind that a public profile and post can be seen by anyone on or off Instagram, even if they don't use an Instagram account, like by finding you through web searches. Besides, a private Instagram account is made in such a manner that only the followers you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos on hashtag and location pages and your followers and following list. As soon as you do so, your Instagram profile should be finished setting up. now to follow BTS artists individually on Instagram, in spite of the fact that none of the BTS members have changed their username since their account had been created. But again, our cookie has won the game by once changing his account name, twice deleting all his post feed and highlights from his Instagram, and by almost killing the armies all over the world with his surprisingly common mood swings. So, for the time being, let's begin with searching our MakeNays username, which of course isn't something like ABCDEFGHIJK. No, it's nothing like that. For now, it's simple and attractive jungkook.97. So, visit the search tab of your Instagram user interface, normally represented by a magnifier icon. It really doesn't show a very nice post in the feed section at the start, but gradually when you start following other people on IG, then on you'll notice that it will pick up your interest and then personalize it accordingly. Right now, please don't mind it, guys. There we are. Tap the follow button and click on message option if you want to DM or chat with JK. In the meantime, you can also surf through the artist post and like them by simply clicking on the heart, which turns red when you do the same. In addition to this, you can also comment on the celebs post by tapping on the comments. Remember that, like in all other social media networking sites, replies to the comments are threaded, and to view it, you will be required to unfold it separately by clicking on the replies drop down section for each domain comments. In the same way, we will explore other members' Instagram ID as well. Our next scout is going to be Thai. So V's username is @THV, normally spelled as the V. BTS members are no stranger to building and breaking world records. But do you know this fact, guys, that we recorded 1 million followers in 43 minutes of opening an account and 10 million followers in just 4 hours and 52 minutes, setting 2 Guinness world record and emerging as the world's strongest Instagram star. He breaks world record as he crosses 50 million followers on Instagram in record time, creating a new milestone hardly possible as ever. Now we'll move along the always under surveillance Kai Park Jimin with his visibly compacted username J.M. Following the next, here comes the Hyung line of representatives, starting along with Jin. As sweet and as savage as ever, his username turns out to be, guess what? Just Jin. @Jin. What simplicity this man carries, even after standing on such a high stage of fame. So, now we are left with just 3 upcoming members to go. Getting along with Namjoon, many of the armies had been speculating the meaning of his Instagram username, to which RM reacted that archive means archive. Archive here from the 2 different archive I mean. So one is the RM's username, that starts with R, and the other is a word of English which is spelled as ARCHIVE, which means a type of folder. So basically, Namjoon said he just played a bit with the grammatical spelling of the original word and changed it to R since his name is RM. He chose archive as his handle in reference to producing studio. So where's my hope? Let's move on to jhope. His username, as his bias army can always predict, is based on his more so often used greetings, implying I'm your hope, you're my hope, I'm jhope. @UARMYHOPE. Guys, the pattern of the alphabets really does matter in the username, so please watch this out carefully, that what you search it, because there are a lot of impersonating BTS IDs roaming around Instagram, all over Instagram. So please be careful about that. @ you are my hope, which can be viewed in different aspects and can be read as you are my hope in literal terms in most general cases. Of course, you can spell it in any abbreviation that suits you. Hey, so am I feeling quite lazy? No, it's time for Minyungi. As compared to any other member's Instagram username, I'll consider his one as the most intellectual one. In order to differentiate his work from that of his work just as Suga, he developed the alternate self August D, which is derived from his initials DT, short for his birthplace Daigtown, and Suga spelled backwards. Finally, I'll wrap it up by following the official BTS Instagram account managed by the Hype labels. They are well known managing entertainment company. Now, what if you are tired of using IG just yet and want to delete it? Let me give you a quick outline about it. There are two categories in which you can do so. One is temporary, which gives you another spare chance to restore your deleted ID. However, the other one strictly restricts you from doing so. Let me bring this to you in brief. When you delete your account, your profile, photos, when you permanently delete your account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes and followers will be permanently removed. You can also choose to take a break and temporarily deactivate your account instead. In this case, nothing of the previous mentioned consequences will take place, but to the ones whom you might have been following or have been friends with on internet, it will just look as though you had deleted your account. However, you can log in back and recover your account anytime, any place you want when you choose to deactivate your account. So this was the case with deactivating your account. For permanently deleting your account, you should follow the steps as follows. Visit your profile on your Instagram app. Click on the geared shape settings icon present on the top right corner of your mobile screen. Now scroll down and click on the help option coming in the list. In the Instagram Help Center search field, type how to delete. Let this sentence autocomplete with the system keywords as per your desire to whether permanently delete or deactivate your account. Now, open the article entitled How to Delete My Instagram Account Permanently. Scroll down and you'll find a drop-down article enlisted as Delete Your Account. Open it. To request the permanent deletion of your account in this page, you will be offered with 3 options determined by which device you are currently in use with. You select one out of the 3 options. So the 3 options are as follows: Instagram app for iPhone, Instagram.com for a mobile browser, Instagram.com for a computer or PC. In my case, I'll unfold the mobile browser entitled Search and click on the hypertext link referring delete your account, after which I'll be redirected to Instagram account deletion page where I have to choose a reason for removing my IG account and re-enter the password. Once you are successfully done with this, after 30 days of your account deletion request, your account and all your information will be permanently deleted and you won't be able to retrieve your information. During those 30 days, the content remains subject to Instagram's terms of use and privacy policy and is not accessible to any other person outside using Instagram. Also, in the meantime, if you have changed your mind, rather, you can simply log in your account into your account before the mentioned period of time limit, that is 30 days in this case. This way your account can be recovered, but Remember, you had to redo all the process in order to apply for deleting your Instagram account once again. Note that this process will only be valid till you log in before the scheduled time of 30 days, after which this would be claimed as inapplicable.